Good morning, students. Welcome back. Children, today we are going to study about a precious gift from Mother Nature for all living beings on earth, and it is none other than water. We all know the importance of water in our life and could not imagine life without water. So children, open your EVS textbook, page number 46, lesson number 8, our need for water. Children, here we have the points which we will discuss in this lesson. Why do we feel thirsty? A public source of water. The importance of water. Plants need water. Children, can you tell? When you cry, what flow from your eyes? Yes, tears. When you see or smell your favorite food or tamarind pot, what happens to your mouth? Yes, your mouth starts watering. Water which is present inside our mouth, it is called as saliva. Children, when you have cold, what happens to your nose? Yes, water runs from your nose. Children, when you get hurt or when you get cut, what happens? Yes, it bleeds. Students, what does this tell us? Yes, this tells us tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. Children, now try this. You have to do this activity under adult supervision. Adult supervision means your parents or any elder should present with you during this activity. Children, take a small piece of cucumber, grate it and squeeze it hard. Now, take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. Children, now tell me, what do you see? Yes, from both the things, juice flow out. Students, now tell me, what does it tell us? Yes, it tells us that water is present in a cucumber and a lemon. So children, through this activity, we know that water is present in fruits and vegetables too. Children, our new topic is, why do we feel thirsty? When you play or run, we sweat a lot and lose lots of water from our body. Our body needs water to function properly, means our body will work properly when we have enough water in our body. Students, water keeps our blood thin. It also helps us to digest our food. Children, when our food gets digested properly in our stomach, it gives us energy. And if we don't drink enough water, then our food will not get digested properly. And we will get stomach pain. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. Children, we must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is lack of water in our body, means when the quantity of water gets less in our body, so we get thirsty. We all know that water is very important. It is life and it is very essential for all living things on the earth. No living things can live without water. So my dear children, we should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Children, now turn page to page number 47. Can you tell? Answer the given question related to the picture given below. So children, we'll read the questions and try to find its answer from the picture. First question. Which animal are drinking water at the river bank? Children, can you see river bank? River bank means side of the river. So children, look at the picture. Goats are drinking water at the river bank. Next question. Who is playing in the river? Children, we all love to play in the water. So same way, some boys are playing in the river. Last question. Some people are carrying water home. What will they use it for? Yes, people carrying water home will use it for washing, cleaning, cooking, etc. Our next topic is a public source of water. Children, have you ever wondered where do we get water from? Yes, from rain. Children, rain is the main source of water on earth. Rainwater is a purest form of water. Rainwater fills lake, pond, river, ocean, etc. These water bodies are also sources of water. Children, in many villages, animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. and birds like lapwing, kingfishers, egret, etc. can be seen around these water sources. They come here to drink water and to bathe in it. Children, these water bodies help grass and other bushes to grow near them. People from the village wash their clothes and carry water to home for different uses. What's the solution? The water in a public source has to be kept clean. Children, to keep public water source clean, we must avoid washing clothes, bathing of people and animals, throwing waste material or playing in water. Children, turn page to page number 48. Do you know? Children, as we feel thirsty and need water to quench our thirst, same way animals also feel thirsty and they need water. Children, when we keep animals, we provide drinking water for them. And sometimes people keep water tray for birds on their roof. Insects, animals and birds like ant, honeybee, crab, scorpion, pigeon, cow and other animals need water. Children, can you tell? Why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? Children, animals in jungle also feel thirsty and need water too. When they are thirsty, they come to a water hole to drink water. So, people go near a water hole in a jungle and can see many wild animals over there. Our new topic is the importance of water. Children, water is very essential for us. We can't imagine our life without water. We need water for different purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes and utensils. Children, water is also used in agriculture for growing different crops. Water is also used in industry for production of different products. Children, try this. Take 2 potted plants of equal growth. Label them as 1 and 2. Every morning for the next 5 days, water only plant 1. Do not water plant 2. Children, what do you see? Plant 2, which was not watered, slowly dries up. Plant 1 looks fresh and green. Children, what does this tell us? Yes, plants need water to live. Our new topic is plants need water. Children, as we need water and we studied that animals also need water, same way plants also need water to grow. We daily water plants which we plant at our house. If we fail to do so, plants will dry up and die. Farmers also water the crops in their field and grow crops, fruits and vegetables. So, water is important for plants grow and give us food. Children, use your brain power. The tree in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get the water they need? Yes, roots of the trees grow under the ground and absorb water from the soil. This water is rainwater, which gets seeps into the soil and later roots of the trees absorb this water. So, this way the trees in the forest get rainwater from the soil. Children, now turn page to page number 51. Do you know? Children, we all know that plants grow in soil, but there are some kinds of plant it cannot survive in the soil. They survive direct in water. For example, bulrushes, lotus, water chestnut and hyacinth are plants that grow only in water. Children, use your brain power. Why do we need to water a garden more often in summer? Children, in summer, due to the intense heat of the sun, the water dries up. The plants may dry up slowly due to less water. Therefore, we need to water a garden more often in summer. Now children, tell me, why is water in ponds and wells much reduced in summer? Yes, in summer, due to the heat of the sun, the water in pond and well evaporates quickly, thus it reduces fast. Children, what we have learned? Living things need water. There is water in bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common sources of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Children, always remember, everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean. It is each one's responsibility to do so. Thank you.